Hello, hello mga tol. Kumusta kayo dyan? So, nandito kami ngayon sa second part ng Disneyland trip. Hello. Ayan. So, nandito ulit kami sa security. Pasakay kami sa tramway. So, pabalik kami sa Disneyland Park. Yung una, umaga kami pumunta. Ngayon naman, ang oras ngayon siguro mga alas 3 na. Hapon kami pupunta hanggang gabi. Hindi kami nag-i-stay dito ng all day kasi hindi naman kailangan, lalo na kung naka 3-day pass ka. Okay? Kita-kita tayo dun. Hello mga to. So nakapasok na tayo dito ngayon sa Disneyland. Andito na ulit tayo sa pinaka front gate nila. Ayan yung castle. Ayan. So ito ang ganyan ka busy ngayong mga 4 o'clock ng hapon. Marami pa rin nagpapasukan dito. So yung mga tao talagang minsan ganitong oras talaga pumupunta. Karaniwan yata dito mga naka yearly pass kaya hindi sila masyadong all day talaga kung talagang susulitin talaga. Yan. What do you wanna say? Say welcome to Disneyland.
Welcome to Disneyland.
What do you wanna do today? Just have fun? Let's walk around and see what's out there.
Yeah.
Let's go. Look, mommy got you something. Let me see. What is that?
It says first visit.
First visit. So this is your second visit, but we still got you the first visit pin. Because we didn't get it the first time.
Because my jacket is going to ruin the markers and safety.
Hello, hello mga tol. Andito ulit kami sa loob ng Disneyland. Kasama ko si Baby Girl. Say hi ka. Ano masasabi mo sa second time sa Disneyland, Beb?
Wala. Ganun pa din.
Ganun pa din? So kasi kami dito, hindi naman kami masyadong nagra-rides talaga. So nag-chill lang kami. Walking lang. Saka naghanap kami ng princess para magpa-picture. Yan. So mahirap kasi natin yung princess ngayon, weekdays kasi, pero marami pa rin tao. Pahit ako. Yan, regular weekday, Thursday, ganyan pa din kadami yung tao. So sa weekend siguro doble. Hello, hello. So today dito naman tayo magtutour sa Tomorrowland. So try natin mag-rides dito. May mga pambata yata Kung ano yung kayang sakyan ni Ivy, kaya ako din sakyan. Right? Ready? Alright. You're scared? Don't be scared. If you can ride it, Daddy will ride it too, okay?
Scary ride.
Huh? Do you only want to go to scary rides?
Yes.
Do you wanna ride this one?
Can you make it? You can make it. So ito yung unang magiging ride namin, yung Finding Nemo. So sasakay sa submarine, tapos syempre nasa ilalim ka ng tubig, and then we'll see kung ano yung nasa loob dyan.
Well, the submarine is on top.
Yo, so ngayon sasakay naman tayo dito sa may Neptune 707. Ang ride na to pretty much naka-submarine ka tapos hanapin nyo si Finding Nemo. Ang ganda niya guys. Tingnan natin sa ilalim kung anong makikita natin. Malapit na tayo sa pila. Ivy, keep going all the way, all the way. Okay, so andito pala yan. Para pala submarine. May kanya-kanya tayong window. Ivy, show me excited. Are you happy?
You see starfish.
Take it down. Dive. Dive. Steer 30 degrees. Steady as she goes. G'day. This is the captain speaking.
Ivy, we're under the sea.
I'd like to welcome you aboard.
We're under the sea,
Conditions of
look.
our voyage may be unpredictable. Please remain seated at all times.
Say mo, under the
As we leave the
sea.
ship behind and head towards open water, you'll notice that the sun right there, 30 degrees, central directly over the sea. It's quite extraordinary, a newly erupting deep water volcano. As we leave this long lost community behind, we're about to enter a community of a different kind. The coral warm shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch.
So mga tol, ganito ang itsura sa loob ng submarine. Madilim. Ivy, look. So nakalabas na kami sa kuweba, tapos na yung story. Did you have fun? It's too bright. Did you get scared? Yay! Is that scary? Mga tol, ngayon nung sasakay naman tayo sa monorail. Yun yung parang train na sumasakay dyan eh, no? Ay, umaandar dyan. Hi! So today we're gonna ride the monorail. Nandito kami ngayon sa pila para sa monorail. Tignan natin kung anong ride siya. Mga tol, ito yung monorail. Mukhang hindi pala siya ride. Mukhang dadaling ko na sa ibang lugar. Pero sasakyan na namin, nandito na kami sa pili. Hello, so mga tol, nandito na kami sa loob ng monorail IIB. So akala namin para siya totoong ride. Ano lang pala siya, dadaling ka lang sa ibang part ng ng park.
Hello everyone, welcome aboard the Disneyland Monorail. We are now beginning a 2.5-mile journey to downtown Disney Station and back. For a safe trip, remain seated.
Bienvenidos. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y
This is Tomorrowland, a land inspired by science fact and fantasy. Below us is the Submarine Lagoon, where you can dive into a fantastic underwater adventure aboard the Finding Nemo submarine voyage. On behalf of all of our crew, thanks for traveling with us, and we hope you'll have a happy and memorable visit here at Disneyland.
Sa mga tol, kakatapos na natin sumakay sa monorail. Binalik na ulit tayo dito sa may Tomorrowland kung nasaan kami sumakay kanina. Akala ko papababain kami dun sa may Downtown Disney. Buti, hinayaan kami sumakay pabalik. Whoa, what is that?
What is this? Can you try?
This is too spicy.
No, it's not. Can you
Whoa!
hold it?
It's a whole turkey leg. Bite. Do you want? Go, take a bite. You like it? Yo, ganyan lang.
Hindi mainit.
Mainit ba? Mga tol, isang buong turkey leg, napakalaki. Tignan natin. Malambot yung pagkakaluto sa kanya. Hindi siya masyadong sinisan eh, pero in-smoke to na matagal.
Mom, I want to eat it. Ah.
Bite! Paraming Vikings. Sarap. So mga tol, ito naman yung sa nating binili. Pretzel. Yan yung loob niya oh. Meron siya parang cheesy garlic bread. Ayan. Sulit na yung pagpunta sa Disneyland dahil dito. Sarap. Hello mga tol, andito naman kami ngayon sa... Hindi ko alam kung anong lugar to eh. Pasasakay kami dito sa may train, pabalik sa may main castle, tapos doon bababa. Patapos na yung araw namin. Hindi ko na binidyo lahat kung ano yung ginawa namin. So, mamaya ulit. Hey Bia.
Story? I don't know.
Hi there, friends, and welcome
Say
aboard.
mo hi.
Just joined us. We're now getting ready to
Nandito kami sa train.
Keeping your
We're gonna
hands,
go
arms,
shoot
feet, and legs
shoot.
fully inside the train car
Is
while
it
we
shoot
are
shoot
in
or
motion.
shoot shoot?
Parents and guardians, please
Ah,
keep
choo
an eye
choo.
on small children, making sure that
Okay,
they are fully
bye-bye.
seated, either on the lap of the adult or always
Brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see with us again real soon. For those of you staying with us, we'll be on our way again in just a few minutes. This is Main Street Station, Main Street, USA.
Hey V, what do you want? What's his name? Doggy?
No, Goofy the dog.
Ah, Goofy the dog.
Yeah, I want to go there.
But you have to stand in line. Let's go. You wanna go stand in line? Yan mga tol, so ginabi na kami dito ngayon sa Disneyland. Kakababa lang namin doon sa may train. So dito na kami ngayon sa sa Main Street ulit. So ito yung itsura ng Disneyland sa gabi. Ganyan siya kaliwanag, sobrang ganda. Sarap lang tumambay dito. So maghahanap lang kami ng mapagkakapihan para syempre pang pa-warm up. Tapos yun na, bachi na kami. So salamat sa panonood mga tol. Hanggang dito na lang yung vlog namin. Bye-bye na kayo.
Say peace.
Say bye-bye vlog.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye vlog. Sa mga tol, nandito na lang. So hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye. Peace.